Hello kids, in this video let us focus on standard forms. Okay, so let us start with few examples of standard forms. Suppose sum is like this, 10,000, and you have to convert this into standard form. So how you will convert? Answer will be 10 raised to 4 because there are 4 zeros. If it is 30,000, how will you convert this into standard form? 3 into 10 raised to 4. Always remember, in standard form, first number will be always in single digit, and then if there are more numbers, it will be in form of decimals. And this base, in order to convert it into index form, it's very important that base is in form of 10. Let's do more examples so you all will be sorted. Like if there is a sum like this, 197, how will you convert this? As I said, first number should be a single digit number. So this is 1 followed by a decimal, as there are 2 numbers more. So followed by decimals. Okay, and then there are all zeros. So how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that in base should be in terms of 10, and power, there are 5 zeros, so power by 5. Are you all together till here? Now let's do few more concepts. There is a sum like this, 370, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This sum you have to convert into standard form. Always remember, if it's a whole number, after whole number put a decimal and then 0. Okay, we have to convert this into standard form. Looking at the number, do not get scared. Just keep that concept in your head that you have to, first number, it should be only single digit number, then followed by a decimal, and then 702, and then whatever zeros are there, you will be converting into index form. So we are going from right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 zeros. So into 10 power 5. Okay, into 10, not into 10 power 5. We are from decimal, we are going till this. यहाँ पर decimal डाला ना. So till that you have to count. So 1, 2, it is like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. यहाँ पर हमने डेसिमल डाल दिया. सो इंटू 10 पावर 8. आर यू ऑल विथ मी? थिंक ऑफ एन इंटीजर लाइन फॉर दी positive and negative numbers. If this is an integer line, over here it's all positive, and over here all are negative. So I am going from right to left, from my decimal right to left. So as I am going from right to left, my power will be in positive. Okay, let us do few more examples. If there is a sum like this, 56.2, as I said that decimal ke baad there is one number, first thing one number, and decimal 62 into 10 power Now if there wouldn't had been this decimal, this would have been 10 power 2. But as there is a decimal like this, it will be what? Only 10 power 1, because we are going only one step forward, right? Because यहाँ पर तो हमने decimal डाल दिया है. So it will be into 10 power 1. Are you all with me till here? Okay. Now there is another question. Now there is another question. For example, sorry for all the interruptions in between. Another question is like this: 0.000203. 0.000203. Can you see the difference over here? Till the other sums, the sums what we did before, they were whole numbers, and on the right side there was decimal. Over here there is a decimal on the left side. So now think of the integer line. Okay, I'll give you the correlation. Now see over here, first number starts here, so पहले वो single digit लिख दो, उसके बाद decimal and then put this two numbers into 10 power. Now left to right is in negative form to the positive form. So left to right we are going, from decimal we are going to left to right. So 1 2 3 4. इसके बाद आ गया decimal, so into 10 raised to minus 4, because we are going from left to right, so it is 10 raised to minus 4. Are you all with me kids still here? Now if there is a number like this, 3.72 into 10 power 5. I have to convert this standard form into normal form. I have to convert this into normal form. So let me write here standard form as well as normal form. Standard form as well as normal form. Now I want to convert this into normal form. So what will I do? 3.72 वो 372 ऐसे ही रहेगा, and this is power 5. So decimal के बाद कितने numbers? 1 2 3 4 5. So 3 zeros. So total 372 and 3 zeros. If there is a number like this, 1.308 into 10 power 8. So पहले पूरा whole number बना दो, 1308. Decimal के बाद 3 numbers, 1 2 3, but it's power 8. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is your whole number. But again, now let me give you a number in negative form. If there is a number like this, 1.39 into 10 power minus 5, immediately think of your integer line. Integer line left side is negative. So pehle I'll write my number like this, 139. It is 10 power negative 5. So see, it is like this, 1.39. Okay, so here my zeros I will count from this side. So यहाँ से, or you can say यहाँ dot लगा दो left to right, 1 2 3 4, and this is 5. Are you all with me? So answer is 0.00000139. If there is a sum like this, let us do few more examples. If there is a sum like this, 2.543 into 10 power minus 1. 10 power minus 1. Write it a whole number, 2543, and as it's 10 power minus 1, 0.2543, because it's only 1, so we will not put any zeros. This is 1, so 2543. Another example, 4 into 10 power minus 3. So first write only 4 and then 3 hai na, so 0 0 3 4. So 1 2 3 हो गया. So answer is 0.004. It's very simple. Just go through this video properly and you will understand. The following video is about addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of this kind of sums. Okay, there will be a following video on that. Thank you so much kids. Have a wonderful day ahead.